Imagine two writers describing the same sunset. One paints a scene of quiet, melancholy beauty, the other a fiery, dramatic spectacle. The sunset is identical, but the experience is completely different. Why? Because of voice. Voice is where your identity as a writer lives. It's not the same as style. Style is the technical toolkit, sentence length, word choice, syntax. It's how you write. Voice is the personality that emerges from those choices. It's who you are on the page. Think of Hemingway. His style was short, direct sentences with simple words. The voice that resulted? Tough, understated, and stoic. His consistent stylistic choices built his signature voice. Let's see this in action. Here's the same event told three ways. First, minimalist. It rained. She waited. He didn't come. She left. The style is sparse, forcing us to fill in the emotion. Now, maximalist. Rain fell in sheets, torrential and relentless, while she waited, knowing with the certainty of repeated disappointment that he wouldn't come, enacting this performance of hope for herself, until finally, drenched and defeated, she left. We're immersed in her flowing, desperate thoughts. Finally, lyrical. Rain baptized the empty street, each drop a small silver ceremony, while she stood beneath the awning and understood that some absences are as permanent as weather. This style elevates the moment, making it poetic and profound. None of these is better, they simply serve different purposes. Developing your voice isn't about achieving a perfect professional sound. It's about becoming aware of these choices. It happens slowly through wide reading, constant writing, and fearless experimentation. Your voice emerges from the patterns you create, the words you prefer, the rhythms you fall into. It's not something you find, it's something you build, one deliberate choice at a time.